How to answer, tell me about yourself, interview. I've seen so many people lose great job opportunities.
Even though they were smart and skilled?
Yes, and the reason is shocking.
Let me guess. The question, tell me about yourself?
Exactly. This one question decides the whole interview.
And most people don't even realize it.
They think it's just small talk,
But actually, it's a test.
a test of clarity,
A test of confidence.
and a test of communication.
Today, we'll teach you how to answer this question the right way.
Welcome to English with SMG.
Let's start with something important.
When an interviewer asks, tell me about yourself,
They are not just being polite.
they're checking how you think
How you explain yourself.
and how professional you sound.
Your answer creates a first impression.
And first impressions are very powerful.
That's why your answer must be structured,
Not random,
not emotional.
but clear and professional.
Now let's talk about rule number 1.
This rule is simple, but people ignore it.
Do not talk about your personal life.
The interviewer does not want to hear about your family.
They don't want your childhood story,
They don't want to know your struggles in life.
and they don't want to know how you became who you are as a human.
That may sound harsh, but it's true.
When they say, tell me about yourself, they actually mean something else.
They mean, tell me about your professional background,
Your skills,
your experience.
and why you're a good fit for this job.
That's it, nothing more.
Now let's move to rule number 2.
This rule is very important,
You should tell a story.
but not your life story.
Tell your work story.
A professional story should be engaging,
It should be clear.
and it should feel complete.
Think of it like a journey.
A journey of your career. Now let's start with tip number 1.
Give a snapshot of your work history.
This means going back to your first professional job.
Start from the beginning.
For every job, you should answer 4 questions.
Where did you work?
What was your job title?
How long were you there?
And what were your main responsibilities?
This helps the interviewer understand your growth
They can see how you moved forward.
and how your career developed over time.
Now, tip number 2.
This is where your answer becomes strong.
After responsibilities, talk about one achievement.
An achievement shows impact.
It shows results.
For example, saving time,
Saving money,
improving a system.
or making a process faster.
Numbers are great, but not required.
What matters is value.
Now let's talk about tip number 3.
This tip works on a psychological level.
After your story, connect yourself to the job.
Show that you understand what they need.
When you say this,
You are no longer talking at the interviewer.
you are talking to the interviewer
This creates connection.
and trust.
Now, the final tip.
This is the icing on the cake,
Many people skip this part.
but this is what makes your answer memorable.
Tell them clearly why you are the right fit.
Don't wait for them to ask,
Say it with confidence.
because confidence shows readiness.
So remember, structure matters.
Preparation matters,
Practice your answer.
and say it with confidence.
Thank you for listening to English with SMG.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep learning, keep growing.